Solve the equation. Solution. Two divided by 5 plus 3 divided by y minus 8 equals to 0. Now, we have y minus 8 as a binomial at the denominator of the second term fractional expression. Now, we can take this second term, which is a fraction, to the right hand side. So we have 2 over 5 equals to, when we move this to the right, we have what? 0 minus 3 divided by y minus 8. Now, 0 minus the whole of this expression will give us what? We are going to have minus of 3 divided by y minus 8. Now, we have this. From here, we can now cross multiply. By cross multiplication, what do we have? We have 2 into bracket what? Y minus 8 is equals to what? 5 into bracket minus 3. The next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, we have what? This 2, we multiply this y, we have what? 2y. And this same 2, we multiply minus 8. What do we have? 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 times minus 8 will give us what? Minus 16. 5 times minus 3 will give us what? Minus 15. Now, the next step is to collect the like terms. Minus 16 and minus 15 are like terms. Now, we are going to take minus 16 to the right to meet minus 15. When we move minus 16 to the right, it becomes plus 16. So we are going to have minus 15 plus 16. Now we have 2y equals to what? At the right hand side, we have minus 15 plus 16. It's the same thing as 16 minus 15. And that is equals to 1. Now, the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of y. And what is the coefficient of y? That is 2. So we are going to divide both sides by 2. So we have 2y divided by 2 is equals to 1 divided by 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So it means that the value of y is equals to 1 over 2. And 1 over 2 in decimal is the same thing as what? The same thing as 0.5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.